Place the drone on a plain surface. Unfold the arms and propellers. Fill the tank with agrochemical, water in this case. Open the Agricultural Assistant app on the RC. Boot up the drone. Drone connected will be shown on the RC. Click Operation. Click the setting icon. Select the first icon and make sure the operation mode is spraying mode. Turn on the flow sensor. Evacuate the air in the pipes before calibration. Loosen one front and one rear pressure relief valve. Click Start. The spraying test will begin. Click Pause when there is no air in the pipes. Make sure the air has been evacuated. Turn off the pressure relief valves. Scroll down to find the Flowmeter calibration. Click Calibrate. Calibration successful will be shown on the app. The Flowmeter calibration is completed.